Lay versus lie. Confusing word series. Look at these two sentences. I lay the keys on the table. I lay in bed all day yesterday. Same word, different meaning. If this feels confusing, you're not alone. Lay or lie? Let's clear it up and make it simple. Many learners understand lie as not telling the truth. That part is easy. But lie and lay, which mean to lie and to put, cause real confusion. Today, we'll use simple logic, not grammar tables. Lay. An action with an object. Let's start with lay. Lay means to put something down in a careful or deliberate way. What does it mean? Very often, lay means to put something in a flat or horizontal position, usually carefully or for a particular purpose. The most important rule, lay always has an object. You lay something. Look at these examples. I lay the tray on the table. The tray is flat and stable on a flat table. I lay the eggs in the box. They are fragile, so the action is careful. I lay the baby on the bed. There is an object, the baby, and a clear purpose, to place it carefully. Yes, you can often use put instead. Put is neutral, but lay adds meaning, how the action is done. Lie, a position, no object. Now let's look at the verb lie. Lie is not an action you do to something. It describes a position or a state. Lie has no object. No one puts anything. Look at these examples. The doll lies on the bed. It describes the doll's position, not an action. A cat lies on your side of the table. This describes the cat's position. She lies on the couch watching TV. This describes her position, not an action. So remember, lie equals be in a position. Why learners get confused? So if the logic is clear, let's ask ourselves, why is this still confusing? The answer is because of their verb forms. Look at the explanation carefully. Forms of the verbs: lay, laid, laid, lie, lay, lain. Here is the problem. The verb lay is both the present of lay and the past of lie. So, look at the following sentences. I lay the keys on the table. Lay is the present form of lay, means to put. I lay in bed yesterday. Lay is the past form of lie. Same word, different verb, different meaning. The key rule that saves you. So here is the simple rule that really helps. Look at the sentence and ask one question. Is there an object of the action? The answer is yes. Then it's lay. I lay the keys on the table. No object? Then it's lie. Yesterday, I lay in bed. No memorizing, just logic. So let's simplify everything. Lay, you put something. There is always an object. Lie, someone or something is in a position. No object. If you remember this feeling, you will choose the right verb naturally. Thank you for learning with Lingportal.